Want to master Linux package management across 3 major distros? In this video, you will learn how to search, install, upgrade, clean, and install from specific repositories using Pacman, DNF, and Zypper clearly and professionally. Welcome to the Linux Lighthouse. Today we are comparing and mastering 3 essential Linux package managers: Pacman on CachyOS, Arch-based systems, DNF on Fedora Linux, Zypper on openSUSE, Tumbleweed. You will learn how to search for packages, install them, upgrade systems properly, remove packages, clean caches, auto-remove unneeded dependencies, list files installed by a package, find which package provides a command, add repositories, and install from a specific repository when multiple repos contain the same package. Let's get started. Pacman is the package manager for Arch-based systems. It handles installation, removal, dependency resolution, and synchronizing local databases with remote repositories. Search for packages. Use -S capital S small to search the sync database. Install packages. -S capital synchronizes and installs the package and its dependencies. Upgrade the system. -S capital Y small U small refreshes the databases and upgrades the entire system. Arch officially supports only full upgrades, never partial upgrades. Remove packages. -R capital alone removes the package. Adding -N small S small removes its dependencies that are no longer needed. Auto-remove unneeded packages, orphans. The first command, pacman-q-tdq small, will list the packages installed as dependencies but no longer required. The second command will remove these packages. Clean package cache. The command pacman-S capital C small removes unused package cache. List files installed by a package. Pacman-Q capital L lists the files contained in the installed package. List all installed packages, name and version. Pacman-Q capital. This command outputs all packages installed on your system, including dependencies, in 2 columns, name and version. The command bat here with -R is to only print the lines from 1 to 20. List only explicitly installed packages. Pacman-Q capital E small. This is useful for seeing packages you installed manually, not as dependencies of other packages. This list is often used for backing up and restoring system configurations. List only the package names, no versions. The quiet Q flag restricts the output to just package names. List foreign packages typically from the EUR or installed locally. Use Pacman-Q capital M small. List more information about a specific package. Use the command Pacman-Q capital I small and the package name. This displays detailed info including the installation date, reason, and which other installed packages require it. Saving the package list to a file, use the command Pacman-Q capital Q small E small and redirect it to the file name. This command lists all explicitly installed packages quietly and redirects the output to a file, in here for this example named packagelist.txt in your current directory. Find what provides this file or command. Officially done using the package file tool. Install the package by running pacman-S capital package file and then update the database package file space -- update. And then you can check any file on your system which package installed that command or that file by running the command package file against the file path. Adding repositories. Pacman uses /etc/pacman.conf. Repository order matters. Earlier repos take priority when versions match. DNF is the default package manager for Fedora. It manages packages, dependencies, updates, and repositories. To search for a package, run the command dnf search and the package name. To install a package, run the command dnf install package name. To upgrade the system, dnf upgrade. Remove a package, dnf remove and the package name. Auto remove unused dependencies, run the command dnf auto remove. To clean the cache, dnf clean all. List files installed by a package, run the command rpm space ql space and the package name. Find what provides this file or command, run the command dnf provides and the path to the file or the command. Add repository, run the command dnf config manager, add repo -- from -repo file and the path to the repo. To install from specific repository, run the command dnf install -- from -repo equal the repo ID and the package name. Zypper is the command line package manager for openSUSE and SUSE Enterprise Linux. To search for a package, you run the command zypper search and the package name. To install a package, you run the command sudo zypper install and the package name. To update the system, you run the command sudo zypper update. To upgrade the system, run the command sudo zypper dist - upgrade. Dist here for distribution. To remove a package, you run the command sudo zypper remove and the package name. For orphaned and unneeded packages, to list orphaned packages, you run the command zypper packages -- orphaned. To list the unneeded packages, you run the command zypper packages -- unneeded. To remove orphaned or unneeded package, you run the command zypper remove -- clean deps space -- details to show more details and the package name. To clean the cache, you run the command sudo zypper clean -a. To list files installed by a package, you run the command rpm space -ql and the package name. What provides this file or command, you run the command zypper search -- provides and the path to the file or the command. To add repository, you run the command sudo zypper add repo -f URL to the repo and alias to the repository. To install from specific repository, you run the command sudo zypper install -- from alias name for the repository and the package name. That completes our full guide to Pacman, DNF, and Zypper, these three package managers powering CachyOS, Fedora, and openSUSE Linux. Now you know how to search, install, upgrade, remove, clean your system, work with repositories, and even choose which repository a package should come from. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the Linux Lighthouse, and leave a comment about what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.